A very good evening to everyone. I hope you all are doing exceptionally well. My name is Jnaneshwari Zadav, and I extend a warm welcome to each one of you to this inaugural event of Hacktoberfest 2023. Our MLSC, that is Microsoft Learning Students Community, is back with an exciting and knowledge packed campaign that is Hacktoberfest 2023. And guess what? This time we are collaborating with communities like MLSC MIT Meerut, MLSC BSI OTR Pune, MLSC GCOERC Nashik, and the Google Developer Students communities from KKWAG, MVP KBT COE, and MET BKC. Also, we have SWAG partners Quinn, Endless Domains, Script Winter of Code. So, as we kick off with this exhilarating month long celebration of open source software and collaboration, we invite you to join us on a journey filled with innovation, learning, and community building. This event marks the commencement of a series of engaging sessions and opportunities to contribute to open source projects, connect with fellow developers, and truly make a meaningful impact on the world of technology. So, without a further ado, let's delve into today's agenda. Today's event has one clear agenda to make open source and Hacktoberfest accessible and understandable to everyone. We'll break down why open source matters and why Hacktoberfest is a big deal in today's tech world. Plus, we'll show you exactly how to sign up for all the cool activities happening throughout this month. And we'll keep it very simple so you won't miss any deadlines and rules. But here's the fun part. We'll also talk about low code contributions. No super nerdy stuff, promise. How to write PRs that really shine, and what makes a great commit message. Now, it's time to introduce our esteemed speakers for this Hacktoberfest event. Let's welcome Ishwari Devre and Riddhi Dalal. These accomplished individuals will be sharing their insights and knowledge with us today, adding immense value to our Hacktoberfest experience. Let's give a warm virtual welcome to our esteemed speakers.
Hello everyone. Before diving into Hacktoberfest, let's first understand what is open source. Open source is like a big tech party where everyone is invited. Imagine this. When someone creates an awesome piece of software, they don't keep it to themselves, right? They share it with the world. It's like a gift to humanity. Now, here's the fun part. Lots of smart folks team up like superheroes joining forces. They work on this open source project to make tech better. Now, let's understand what is Hacktoberfest. It's like this amazing global open source festa. Anyone, and I mean anyone, can participate regardless of their technical abilities. What's more, guess what? This year marks the 10th anniversary of Hacktoberfest, a decade of technological awesomeness. People from all over the world gather, each with their own set of skills. They collaborate to improve open source project, and it's like a big tech party. What's the best part? It's a welcoming community where everyone is welcome to dive into open source universe. What's the big deal about Hacktoberfest? Because it brings people from all over the world together to do cool technological things. But here's the kicker. It's not just about technology. It's also about education and training. You may have questioned how to get enrolled in this amazing tech fest. First thing first, head over to official Hacktoberfest website hacktoberfest.com. Got it? Great. Here's the deal. You must link your GitHub account. For this incredible journey, Hacktoberfest and GitHub go hand in hand. Do you not yet have a GitHub account? No worries. You can make one in no time. After that, it's time to roll up your sleeves and start contributing to open source projects. What's more, the best part, you can keep track of your incredible progress on Hacktoberfest website. So, what are you holding out for? Let us embark on this open source adventure together. and the deadline for registering yourself. You can register for this event from September 26th to October 31st. So make sure to sign up within this time to secure your spot. Now, I will hand over to Samiksha and Ritvika.
Hello everyone, I'm Ritvika Aire.
I am Samiksha Bhor. It's time for a little interactive session with our audience.
Yes, we should know our audiences. Let's have some small Q&A session.
Let's get right into it. We'll be using Slido.
For that, browse www.slido.com and enter the code or scan the QR code displayed on the screen.
Hurry up, guys, join fast so we can start soon. I'll read out the pin for everyone. It is 2657298.
Register guys.
Is everyone in?
We'll wait for 5 seconds more.
Put in a yes in the comment section, please. Is everyone in?
We need more yes.
We have 3 yeses. More, please. Is everyone ready? Okay, great. I see them. Okay. Continue, Ritvika.
Okay, hurry up guys. I hope everyone has registered. Without wasting more time, let's start with the session.
Can we have our first question on the screen, please?
So the first question is, rate your understanding on open source.
Fill in about how familiar you are with open source, whether a beginner, intermediate, or well experienced with it. Fill in your answers. We are waiting.
We see a lot of people are here beginners. Nice, great.
We'll just learn together and grow together. Now, moving on to the next question, we have
Do you have a GitHub account? Answer,
we are
answer,
waiting for the
answer.
response. Yes.
Yes, there are a lot of people who are having GitHub account. That's great.
Yeah, GitHub is an essential step for your participation in this fest. So I hope everyone has it. Keep the answers coming through the comments. We are watching. Has everyone answered? Please put in a yes in the comments. Great. Are the results in?
Moving on to the next question, the last one. What college are you enrolled in? Tell us, where are you from?
Many of y'all are students. Go on. Oh, we see a lot of crowd from KK Wag.
Nice, nice.
Keep filling in the answers.
Nice. Carry on. Answer, answers.
The
Nice.
answers are still coming. Guys, come on.
Yes.
So the majority is from.
Okay, Wag. That's good to hear.
Mhm.
Okay, now thank you guys for interacting with us. It was a great session.
Now, let's move on to the informative part of the session. I would like to hand over the further flow to Riddhi for the same. I guess there is a glitch at Riddhi's side. Let me continue. Thank you, Samiksha and Rutvika, for warming up our audience with the interactive session. So now, let us dive deep into the session where we are going to explain about key values of the Hacktoberfest 2023. Firstly, everyone is welcomed. Folks from all over the world participate in this event to showcase their unique skills. Anyone who interested in diving in or already part of open source community are welcomed. Secondly, participating in Hacktoberfest leads to personal growth, professional opportunities, and community building. And all these qualities begin with meaningful contributions to open source community. Last but not the least, contributions made in events like Hacktoberfest have a profound lasting impact. They are the seeds that grow into a forest of innovation, knowledge, and collaboration, shaping the future of the internet and technology. So, when you participate in these initiatives, remember that your contributions today are building the foundation for a brighter technological future tomorrow. Next slide. So, coming to the rules for participating in Hacktoberfest and PR MR details. So, now we will discuss some rules that are meant to be followed for the event. To qualify, you must make at least 4 successful pull requests, that is PRs, to any open source GitHub repository. You must ensure that the repository you are contributing to is participating in the Hacktoberfest event. You can check that by looking the Hacktoberfest label on the repo. All the pull requests and merge requests must be created between October 1st till October 31st. Also, the PRs or MRs should be made to public and archived repositories. The PRs must not be spammy. PRs that are given the spam label by maintainers will not be counted. Your PRs must be merged or have the Hacktoberfest accepted label or have an overall approving review. So once your PR or MRs pass all the checks above, it will be accepted for Hacktoberfest after the 7-day review period. Now, next slide. Low code contributions. Hacktoberfest aims to encourage more individuals to participate in open source and collaborate to enhance the software driving our world today. Open source projects can benefit greatly from community contributions, and there are multitude of ways to get involved that don't involve coding skills. Whether you possess technical expertise or not, you can leverage your professional skills to support open source projects. Next slide. Finding good first issues. So, when starting with open source contributions, it is a good practice to start with a good first issues. Let us understand what it is. A good first issue is a label that GitHub hosted open source projects use. It describes issues that are reserved for people who are new to open source in general or those who are new to a particular project. Now, knowing what good first issue labels are is one thing, but finding them is another story. So, if you already know the project that you want to contribute to, you can go to the Issues tab and the repository, then under the label filter, pick Good First Issue. Next comes the most important part, writing a good commit message. Writing a good commit message is essential not only for others who you may be collaborating with on the project, but also for you to keep track of all your commits and know exactly what changes were made during the particular commit. We can divide the format of writing good commit messages in four parts. First, defining the type of the commit. Here, you have to mention whether the commit is for a new feature, a bug fix, or for some changes in documentation. Next is adding subject. So this section would contain short explanation of the changes made which should not exceed 50 characters and should begin with a capital letter and written in the imperative, for example, add instead of added or adds. Body section. Here you can specify what changes you made and why. This section might not be needed for all commits, especially when you're working on a personal project. Footer, last one, it is also optional and mainly used when using an issue tracker to reference the issue ID. Next slide. Writing a good PR. So, writing a good pull request is an important thing as writing a good commit message. So, a pull request is a proposal to merge changes made in a branch of a repository into another. While writing a pull request, first include the purpose of it. Consider providing an overview of your changes. Keep in mind that anyone in the organization could read your PR. Secondly, be explicit about what feedback you want, if any. While offering feedback on a PR, familiarize yourself with the context of the issue and reasons why this pull request exists. So now I would like to hand over to Arya.
Ahí escuchamos ese.
Sorry, there's a technical error at Arya's side. We'll be back.
Hello everyone. Okay, there was a technical glitch from our side. Very sorry for that. But as we are talking about a contribution, let's understand what we or MLSC have contributed till the date. We have a music streaming platform, which we also called as Dave Beats, which for that we have used HTML and many languages like CSS and JavaScript as well. We also have one more platform called eLibrary, which again we have used HTML, CSS. We also have a weather app and assignment tracker using TypeScript. So we are also contributing for more and more projects further, and that's why we are motivating you guys to contribute for this open source. That's from my side. I would like to take some more by DJ. Okay, we can see more projects. There are diabetes prediction web app. We have Codebus. We have Blaze. We have Numericon. We have used CSS, HTML, web development apps, many languages. Tech stack, TypeScript, JavaScript. Many of them are also from data science. We have more than 35 contributors for our projects, and these are our popular repositories. You can also join with us, guys, and contribute with us. Hacktoberfest is all about contributing and spreading your own knowledge, as we have heard from all of our speakers today. First of all, it's super beginner friendly, so you can go and contribute for yourself. Now, here's the Q&A part. Shoot your answers in comment section. We are here. The entire speaker panel is here to answer your questions. So shoot your questions.
It's now time to open the floor for your questions and answers. I would like to request all the speakers to join us for the Q&A session, and I request you guys to feel free and ask any doubts or questions so that our speakers will guide you through them. Just type your questions in the chat box and we'll get started shortly.
Okay, so we have first question. How can I participate? All the links are provided in description box of official website of Hacktoberfest. Just go and register out there, and registration forms are in the comment section as well, so you can go and check them out.
Okay, next question. How to pull a request? We just previously answered those questions already.
Yes, you can refer to our earlier section.
And also
And
join the next event
yes,
to
the
know
next
more.
event is all about that.
Yes.
Is is that all languages? Okay, we have question by Aman Yadav. He is asking, is that all languages include? Mostly, which are preferable. You can choose according to what your project needs. It's entire freedom for you. Can you send this? Okay, Kalyani. Yes, this video will be on YouTube, so you can watch this anytime. Yash Bidgar. No, there is no eligibility criteria as such. Anyone can, all over the world, can join this Hacktoberfest.
Yes. Great.
Sobia, nice question. As we have mentioned while mentioning the rules, that there will be a Hacktober label while doing that. So you can actually see this contribution is specifically for Hacktoberfest, and you can pull that specific project out for yourself. Do we have more questions?
Okay, so are we done with the questions?
Uh,
Okay, will we get a
Bhush.
certificate?
Yes, you will be receiving certificates and swags too. So
Yes.
contribute more and earn more certificates and swags. As we mentioned earlier, we have three swag partners going on in this entire Hacktober Fest. So
Yes.
you will be getting more and more swags. Don't worry. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's go to the next slide.
Yes, Kunal, it's same. It's your choice if you want to go for that particular repository or not. If you want to contribute, you can.
Are there any more questions?
Kalyani is as simple as that. If you see any of the project on GitHub or Hacktoberfest tagged, you can just go and see whether you have something else or something novelty providing stuff at your end. If you have, you can contribute. It is as simple as that. Do we have more questions?
Okay, let's go to the next slide.
Okay, so many of you might have now questions that how can you connect with us as MLSC GSCOE. So all the social links are provided in description box. So make sure you go there and
Yes.
join with us.
So, as we are coming towards concluding our today's session, I request you guys please take a moment to fill out our check in form, which you will find in our chat box or in event description. And don't you worry, we will be back with another amazing session on 8th of October, that is Merge Matrix Git and GitHub workshop, where you will learn Git and GitHub and you will be ready to get started with open source contributions. We will be back again with many such fun plus educational sessions filled with technical hands on experiences as well as fun activities. To connect with us, join with our all socials provided in the description. And before wrapping an event, we want to show our immense gratitude for all the community partners and all sponsors for joining with us and contributing for creating the impact on the tech world. To know more about them, all socials are provided in the description. Till then, make sure you have fun and keep learning. Thank you and have a great evening.